Oh shit, I forgot.
Oh shit. There you go. So now we're just waiting on her to come on down. You know how girls are to get ready. And then we'll go start today's video. There she is. Oh, she does not look very too happy. What's up, Allie girl?
Hello.
You ready for today's video?
I'm camera shy.
Happy Coetzel Day.
I know, right?
All right, so we just made it to our spot. I haven't introduced my girlfriend yet. This is my girlfriend, Allyson.
Hi.
You've seen her in a couple previous videos. This will not be her first time driving my car. So I think it was our first date where I taught you how to drive standard and you thought you ripped off my front bumper, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this will be her first time driving my Supercharged, my M122 swap 3.7 V6. It is a 6-speed manual at the MT82 transmission. So this will be kind of interesting. Well, I dynoed it a couple months ago and made 320 horsepower, but I knew that was wrong. We fixed a couple quirks and kinks. So now it should be making a little bit more power, maybe like 360 or something like that. But one thing that my girlfriend doesn't have to worry about is, well, Allyson doesn't have to worry about, is my car does have a leaky injector right now, so it doesn't really rev past like 3 grand. So I'm not worried about her spinning the tires or really the clutch because it will boost cut and she'll freak out before it does anything. It'll probably stall, but this should make a pretty entertaining video. So you ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's get going. All right. So the car's a little bit dirty, but we're about to head home back to Austin so I can fix this stupid leaky injector. So, ready, Allyson?
Yeah.
Outfit of the day check? Ooh.
Nike, Lonely Ghost, Lululemon, and I don't know where I got this.
I still look like a bum. The only thing I'm upset about today is I woke up this morning, it was 25 degrees, so I put on jeans, and now it's like 70, almost 80 degrees outside, so I'm kind of sweating. So, what is the first thing that you need to do to start a manual car?
Press this in.
What is that?
The brake.
Okay, well, what pedal do you use to start the car?
The clutch.
Yes, ma'am. So which one's the clutch?
The middle one.
You sure?
This one.
Which one is this one?
To the left.
The far left one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so push the clutch all the way in.
Okay.
And then just turn the key.
I have to make sure it's in neutral, right?
Yes, ma'am. And do you shake it left to right or up and down?
Up and down.
Are you sure?
All the way around.
Yeah, all around town. So you want to go left to right, and this is how you know that it's not in gear, if that makes sense.
Okay.
So very simple. So now you know you're not in gear, and you're ready to start the car. So
can I shut the door?
Yeah, you can shut the door. It will probably shut up.
Okay.
Okay. So now start the car. All right. So the car is started. It is in neutral. So now you can take your foot off the clutch.
Now we put our seatbelt on.
Yep. Safety first.
That's the first step.
I'm more worried about this car catching on fire than us actually crashing today. All right, so let's get into this. First step is engage the clutch all the way in. All right, now you're gonna put it
the wrong one.
in first. Actually, here, let me do this for you real quick. And just like that, we're back to the stock shifter. So now you can see the numbers. Yeah, so this is R all the way to the left, so reverse. So, but don't worry about that. So first thing is you're gonna put your left foot all the way down on the clutch. Now you're gonna take the shifter and you're gonna push left and then up. So gently, make sure you're all the way over. Can I see it real quick?
Oh.
So here, hold on to it. So all the way left, up and first. All right, So now the next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna slowly let on the clutch. At the same time, you're gonna be giving it just a little bit of gas. All right?
That bulldozer man's coming towards me.
Don't worry about him, he'll stay out of our way. Oh, girl.
Oh.
You know what I forgot to tell you?
What?
E-brake's still on. All right, shake it. All right, good. All right, so now you brake down. So your foot is on the brake, correct or no?
No.
Okay, well, now we're gonna slowly start driving. So put your foot all the way down on the clutch.
Okay.
Now put it in first gear. All right, now you're gonna slowly take your foot off the clutch, and at the same time, you're gonna slowly be applying gas. The main thing is just to be gentle all the way out. There you go, keep going, gas, 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 gas. Wow. No, keep going, keep applying gas. Wow. Okay, now let's just do a little turnaround real quick.
Well, there's a man right
Well, I don't know why this man is texting his fiance in the middle of the parking lot. I guess just drive around him, just don't hit him. Welcome to Steamville. All right. It is a little touchy, but that's just because it's a supercharger.
Bumpy.
All right, so let's pull in here. So now push in the clutch. Now pull it back into neutral. Shake it back to left, right, and brakes. Wow, well, so much for a hard video. Hey, give me some.
Good.
Boom.
I'm not in a parking spot though.
Yeah, no, that's all right. We ain't working on parking, we're just working on. So you did a very good job at starting. Now the next thing I want to try is actually shifting gears. So we've already started in first and we rolled forward, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 miles an hour. Too easy, huh?
Yeah.
So the next thing is we're gonna try to shift to second. So while you're driving, what I want you to do is while the car's rolling, I want you to take your foot off the gas, push in the clutch, pull the shifter out of gear, and then go into second, and you're gonna slowly let off the clutch and then start to give gas.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So let's start off in first. So clutch in.
Do I rolling backwards?
Slowly let off the clutch.
Whoa, that was kind of.
That's okay.
That was
Just
kind of a lot.
Gas, gas, gas. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right.
Oh my God, I'm a pro now.
So let's drive over there wherever we entered in from.
That strange man is following us.
All right. Let's not worry about the strange man.
Why is there so many construction workers out?
I don't know what's going on, girl. All right, so now you can see how it's a little...
Oh my God.
He's okay, he's okay. Watch out for him. All right, now since we're driving, turn right here because I don't know what this Bobcat's doing. Just kidding. Okay, watch out for this guy. I don't know what this guy's doing. Oh, it's getting crazy, girl. All right, so here.
This is not good.
Let's same thing. You know what, this is good practice. So roll up to the stop sign, clutch in, start to brake, brake, and now pull it back into neutral. Shake, boom. All right, so how do you start? You can take your foot off the clutch.
Oh, really?
All right, well, now you can't. All right, you ready?
Okay.
So slowly apply some gas. Let the car start rolling, and now turn. Oh my God. Oh, this is not how this video is supposed to go. This is what I want you to do. Go up a little bit faster. You don't have to go too much faster. All right, now what I want you to do is put off the gas, clutch all the way in, pull all the way down to second. Is that second? That looks like fourth. All right, now slowly let off the clutch and slowly add gas. You gotta let off a little bit sooner. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Gas, 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 gas. Okay, people are gonna think that you know how to drive manual.
Oh my God.
Okay, well,
we're blocked.
while we're in second, no, you can loop around this way.
Okay.
So how about this? Where all the crazy construction workers are going to town, let's go back over there and I want to hop out and I want to see you actually driving around the block with the car driving. How does that sound? Yeah. Why was that so easy? All right, so how do you stop?
From the best. Oh, you put the clutch in and then you tap on the brakes.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Give me some skin, baby girl. Boom. All right, wait 1 sec. Let me see how well she did. Forgive the car is super dirty, but she's in the parking spot and she is looking good. I'm so happy.
I thought you were trying to be a fist bump.
Excuse me, ma'am, let's retry that. There you go. I want you just to pull forward and drive around me in circles, all right, girl? Try to get up in second gear in the parking lot, all right? All right, you got this. Okay, so first of all, this is her first time driving standard in probably like, I don't even know. I know it's been more than a year. Can she grab second? Well, I was expecting this to have a little bit more footage or just us being out here a little bit longer, but she hasn't even stalled today. I'm trying to think if I've stalled today. I mean, I don't stall on a normal basis, but and a good parking. Sheesh. Good work, girl. Oh, are you in gear? Ah, she stalled it. She stalled it.
Look, I got up to second.
I heard that. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, baby girl.
Then I stopped.
That's all right. You want to do a couple revs?
No.
No. Well, what? How about this? What if you do stationary revs so I can hear my car outside?
What does that even mean?
All you do is rev the engine. You're going to be a noxious teenage boy.
But these poor workers.
These poor workers. What do you mean they left? They just left. We're the only ones here.
Okay.
Excuse me. All right, start the car. There you go. All right. Yeah, just pull up the e-brake. You're good. Just rev it a little bit. Ooh, it sounds like it's rattling. I need to fix something over here. Jesus. Ow, my ear. That was loud. Okay, and you didn't even rev it. You just kind of laid on it. Now go for it. Maybe you do one more, a little higher. Ah, give me one more. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up any of that, but that was pretty sweet. That sounds so sweet. All right, all right. I want you to pop it. You having fun?
Yeah.
All right, well, first of all, you did fantastic. I'm not going to make you drive somewhere just yet on the main roads.
Good. No, not today.
Would you be okay if we went to Sonic and go get some celebratory drinks real quick?
Yeah.
All right, let's go grab some Sonic drinks. So we made it. We got our Sonic drinks. Allie, what'd you get?
A limeade.
Man, I'm gonna look like the little school girl. I got a large water, but I added all the real fruits or whatever off the app. Call me a girl, but I mean it's sugar free.
It's fruity
and
water.
Yeah, it's fruity water. I ain't fruity, I promise you. If I was fruity, I would have bought a Camaro. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you enjoyed having my girlfriend in the video, drop a thumbs up. Comment down in the description what Sonic drinks you guys get or what you guys prefer, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Roddy's Rides and
Allie.
are out. See ya.